Codeine in cough syrup has been around a long time, but now the Food and Drug Administration is warning that it should not be given to children. Alex Dimitruk reports the FDA says harmful side effects, including death, could result.
A bad cough often means a trip to the doctor, but don't expect a prescription for cough syrup with codeine. The FDA says it's not safe for children.
This should have been done a decade ago.
Dr. Scott Krugman is a pediatrician at Franklin Square Medical Center and has never prescribed codeine. The reason?
Nausea, apnea, which means they stop breathing, really deep sedation, so you can't wake your child up, and there have been deaths reported with codeine, so it's really not a great drug at all.
Codeine is actually an opioid product, and when we use codeine for cough, it actually acts on the brain centers that help suppress cough.
The FDA says no one under 18 should take cough syrup with codeine, especially not the youngest. That's because not everyone processes or metabolizes the drug effectively.
It actually changes it, in some cases, to morphine.
Cherokee Layson Wolf is a professor at the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy.
They're identifying the fact that more people in the population can be what we call these ultra metabolizers of codeine that could be more predisposed to having problems.
Over-the-counter cough syrups and cold remedies do not contain codeine. That takes a prescription. So what is the best remedy when a child comes down with a cold and starts coughing?
Home remedies like honey, like humidifiers, like saline drops, things like that, which you can use.
From now on, codeine should only be prescribed for adults. Alex Dimitruk, WJZ.
Doctors say patience is also a good treatment for coughs from the common cold, which usually taper off with time.